or if this is love. Eh? You are ready, sir?
Yeah.
Pan-Africanist. My gosh. Big propagandist. Oh, my brother. How you doing? How you doing?
Well, receptionist.
Are you ready for me, sir? All right, Kota, go ahead. Go ahead, Kota.
I'm hearing you.
Go ahead, sir. How are you?
I'm good. You?
I'm not too bad either. Go ahead, Kota.
Yes. And I'm making the road. And it's not going to go away for now. You understand? And people who are community just need to accept the fact that the children are the future. And this is one of the best things could ever accomplish for the children to go to school. Right? Everywhere
Yes.
I go, I hear it. Even the wrong are talking about it. You just keep making the wrong. Yes. And you have people who support the PNP who appreciate the buses. Really, really appreciate it. So I guess they lose on this one.
This is a popular policy.
No. Yes. Yes, I think, and you know, one of the things that they caught flat-footed, you know. They caught flat-footed. So it's as if they're sleeping, and now they wake up, they realize they are at the back of the line. Nobody paying them in line anymore. Accomplishment is the thing that is beating them. The thing, yes, they caught flat-footed. You know, they're sleeping. So now the way you can smell the coffee is a different thing. So that is one of the things I would say to them, just to let go and let things just flow the right way. Because even the young, even the blind would appreciate it. Everywhere you go, people appreciate it.
Pastor Stroke.
Yes, and I see them roll out some of them in Manchester the other day, and they look good.
Oh Lord. Everywhere you go now, you see these beautiful yellow buses.
Yes, man.
Yeah, man.
Yes.
I think that is it. I think that may be the election right there, you know. Kota.
Yes, I think Casey is going to tell her the same thing.
No, I don't think we're going to have
Why
Casey
is somebody in the street, you know?
Yeah, we're running out of time, so we're 7:30.
Oh.
Yeah, we're running out of time.
Okay.
Hello.
Yeah, okay.
How is Jamaica girl doing?
She's somewhere here.
Hello.
How is Jamaica girl doing? She's okay.
Yeah, man, she's here.
She's a winner.
She's a winner?
Yes, she's a winner. She's a winner. I just want to keep up. good work. Yes.
Hello?
The
Yes.
program come on.
Yes, Casey, are you ready?
For traction on this program. Yes, so
Yes. All right, Kota, take care of yourself.
Casey. All right, all the best.
Can you go now, Casey? No. All right.
People online burning.
Hi, neighbor.
Good afternoon. Good evening, sir. How are you doing?
Me not too bad, you know. Me there, I listen to you all the while, you know. I just listen to your talk and your thoughts. You are perfectly 100% right. Who we are going to
Yes.
surrender to.
Yes.
You see, we have to be smart and get real and understand that this country has come too far now to return back to the old darkness.
Yes.
And we have to do everything that we can continue to lead this country in a pathway that every one of us can be happy and have something for ourselves, because I have not seen
Your radio, sir. Your radio.
Oh, sorry, my TV. Yeah, okay, sorry. Yeah, I have not seen. No, I don't know if you get this as yet, but I understand now that Peter Bunting is trying to get out the finance spokesman.
Yes.
Out of that position because they need it. Could you believe that Mark Golding as Prime Minister and Peter Golding as, Peter Bunting as Finance Minister in this country? What would it do to us? Could you imagine?
Uh-huh.
When you remember FinSac?
Yes, that's a fear, you know, sir.
Yeah, I really don't understand, because why would he want to go there? There is a reason. There is a reason, because all of their offshore companies are failing, proven are failing, so they want to tap it up back with the Jamaican purse. And that's why they first accused, Andrew Holness of stealing. But Andrew Holness is not stealing anything. They want to do that the Jamaican people believe. Say, yes, Andrew Holness is a thief. So when them go in there, they can't do anything because Andrew Holness was stealing. This is the point. How can you have a report that you put to Parliament, which you don't put the forensic report that would exonerate or lock up the money in to Parliament? Oh, no.
Yes,
I want anybody who have a little sense or a little understanding. How can that happen? And then you say you honor it, you stop the man investigation from July last year. Huh? And look where you put it to page 170 something. You don't put it on the front, you know. You hide it in at the back. These people are terrorists, man. They are terrorists. We don't have a PMP party in the country anymore. We have a radical terrorist party.
They're radical, sir.
Yeah, everything that them utter out of their mouth is radical. Or something that they want
Radicalism,
to them. Yeah, but I want to tell them this.
I see.
Let them bring on anything when I am old enough and I'm going to fight for my grandchildren. And if my blood is to spill to save this country, I am going to be there.
Well,
okay.
Yeah, we'll hope we don't get to that.
No, I hope it don't get to that.
Uh-huh.
But I will not sit down and allow these people to just come in and do all of them stuff. They plan a whole heap of thing to do in election, you know. A whole heap of them plan to do, you know. I've been hearing them. Yeah. A lot of things they want to storm they want to storm the voting booth, them alone, and no labor right now for come in there. All sort of things they are planning to do.
What are you saying to me, sir?
Yeah. But we have to do the same. I hear it on live. I hear it on live. You see, what they are going to do because they must win the election. You see.
No, sir, but so there's a process here.
I cannot understand. An election is going to run, or a race is going to run. Somebody is going to win by the counting of the ballot when the ballot finish. But you want to do something else, or you must have to win.
That is what is going to determine the election, sir. No, nothing more cause running.
How can you so want to win an election where you don't know the people is going to vote? And you must have to win. Huh? Tell yourself. I am willing to fight to the drop of my blood to save this country from my grandpicture, them and great grandpicture.
Wow, that's a serious statement, yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Well, I said it, and I have no reason to really regret it. I said it because it come to this. Neighbor, I have lived through the 60s when I was a boy, and I remember when we could have left with door open and nobody not trouble nobody. And Michael man, they come into this country in the 70s and everybody have to buy grill first. Before them even make the house, them have to buy the grill make put on. Yeah? And at the 70s people start to grill up them house.
Yes.
You see? And when a country is going 18% per annum and you turn it over to a man, right? $500 million in the bank of Jamaica, what heap of money them the time, you know? Right? And in 2 years, you turn everything to negative. And then you tell me, say, he's the best prime minister. Eh? He come back again, say, I gotta grow back this country. Fight him way through. We got through a lot of time. We got through a lot of hardship when Siaga was trying to rebuild back this country. But the best thing Siaga had ever done, the best thing he has ever done is when he built free zone and give young people and the woman them something to go do. That was the best thing he had done. You see? And then these men come in and lock down all those things, sell out everything, sell out. Neighbor.
Yes,
the
sir.
PMP should not even want to go to the poll with anybody in this country. When they don't remember them past. Them sell out serve well, they sell out with zinc factory, they sell out with steel factory, them sell out with glass factory.
What are you saying to me?
Come on, man. You never know that we have a zinc factory here, sir?
Yes, I know that.
Okay. Did you never know that we have a steel factory here too?
Goodyear, sir. We had Goodyear making car tire.
Yeah. Okay. And you never know that we have a steel factory here too?
Yes, sir.
You know how good it would be right now if that steel factory was running, which all of them world car we are putting in a top in China. We could have them make steel for Jamaica and the people work for them.
Yes, sir. Very batteries, All
right, battery company. Nah, Jesus. Let me tell you something, man.
Let me tell you something, sir. Let me tell you something. We speak of these companies that have departed. We need to also speak about our people, sir.
Yes.
Our talents, our investors, our bankers.
Out of jobs.
Who are to leave. Yes?
And some thrown out of job too.
Their businesses were closed.
I was one Globe Furniture. I was one working the other supervisor. Globe Furniture, which is on Constant Spring Road right now. I was working there. And I was thrown out of a job. You see. So people must get up, man. The Jamaican people must rise up.
Well, you don't think that they are rising up, sir? You don't think so?
Look, as I tell you, I remember 1989. It's still in a part of my head of what happened to where we have come from.
Yes.
That we build back a country growing 6% per annum. And the people of Jamaica vote out back Mr. Siaga. I still have that in my head. I will never forget that. Because that was one of the most disgraceful things that the Jamaican people had ever done to this country. The most.
What you saying to me?
Most disgraceful thing that they had ever done. And within 2 years after, the country gone back to negative growth and we don't have no money. We owe people. Right? We have to run to IMF.
Yes.
So you see, sir, I live it, I understand it, I know it. And there is nothing at all that a PNP could tell me that I could make. I would be betraying the country where I live in. And I would love me young people, the young people them in this country. Because I reach a point now where God can call me. Where God can call me anytime. I reach that point, that threshold. So I'm thinking about the future.
You're over 70 years old, sir?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir, I'm 75 years old.
You have more years behind you than you have ahead.
Okay, so I live this.
Yes.
So I'm thinking about the younger generation now and my own great-grandchildren and grandchildren that I have coming into this world. Some born already, and you know, say some not born yet. You see.
All right. You're not expecting to have any more children, sir?
No, I'm not expected to have any more children. I lost my wife, and that's where it stopped.
All right. You're not going to get married again?
No. You wouldn't find another woman. You will never find another woman like her.
Oh, wow. Yes, but she's dead.
Yeah, 43 years. Unbroken.
Oh, my goodness. You love her even in the grave? Even in the grave.
Even in the grave.
Wow.
I miss her. I love her even in the grave.
Oh my.
You see, so I am not. I will not, and I have no reason of even looking at somebody. My children is known. I put everything into them that even if me get old, them can get somebody to look after me.
Yes. Wow. What a love story.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. What a love story. I like to be like that.
Yeah, man. So when I speak, I am not speaking of no ill of the PMP. I am speaking about 3 persons in the PMP which no Jamaican should ever vote for. It's Mark Golden, Peter Bunting, and Satan Campbell. Those 3 persons should not share a parliament.
Yes.
But there is no value in them to make this country go forward. See them vote against everything, you know. If the government go in and say, all right, we are going to do this, they are the first to get up and vote against it. So they are not, you see, they don't want to build the country. They want to lead the country for their own dishonest gain. It's not a point to say they are coming into government to make things better. No. They are coming into government to rob the purse of the Jamaican people and bring me back where we were 10, 15 years ago. Right? And that is their aim. But I hope the Jamaican people don't make it happen. I just hope,
Yes.
you see. Because we have a lot of things we could have talked about. The PNP should not speak about corruption. They're not supposed to speak about corruption. Right? And that thing we hear them call the IC, the whole of them should have got jail. Because they have no integrity. They have no integrity. And I said it without apology. Because I would never imply them to do not one of them.
Uh-huh. Well,
That's
your
where
country.
country.
Very good, sir. Very good. Very good. Very good, Uriel.
Before I died, sir, I wish and hope that I can see a Jamaica that start to give back to the poorer class of this country and let them happy also too. I'm not talking about me, but you have people who need things. You have people who need. Yeah, I don't know if you see that video from down by Majestic Garden the other day with this lady talking about the bucket, and the whole of them have to bathing into it, and then throw it into something. That is a constituency that run by Mrs. Portia Simpson Miller from 1970, if I'm not lying, and it turned over to this Angela Brown Burke. And up till now, those people don't have even a good place to bathe, neighbor. And these people, until these people is forced, you know, to vote for them. They are forced to do so. Because the point is, let me tell you how it goes then, if you may don't understand. If 1,000 of them down there, you have 50 people down there eating out the sweets.
Yes.
And that 50 people demand them and tell them what to do and have a whip over them back. And if they do anything different from what them say, them lose them 2 points, then 3 points.
Yes.
That is what into this constituency. I do not believe that these people are so stupid that they wanted to vote for these people. They are forced to do so. So the government now have to militarize those areas and get those people out. And free up the people and make them vote for who they want to vote for.
How is the election going though, Uriel? What you see happening on the ground? How you think things are shaping?
I am,
you know.
The Jamaican people have never grown up. And I still have that little spot in I know the JLP is going. They have no reason to lose. But still, I'm not that 100%. Yes, but still I'm not that 100% confident in these Jamaican people. And let me explain to you and tell you why one by one. Some of these IR10 people who sit down because them have 2 shillings, who sit down up in them high hill, right, which don't want to vote, they are one of the problem. Most of these people who live in these gated communities, who don't care about the poor, or who don't care about the class, the people outside, they sit on them ass and they don't want to come out to vote. I want you to listen me, you know. I want you to listen me. These are the channels that we have in our country. The people who can make things right don't care a damn for the poor or for the poorer class of people. But here still, them use them, pay them $15,000 a week to wash them clothes look after them older family, and do everything inside of them house to them. Cook them food, but them can't come out to deceive those people who are getting the same $15,000 a week, get even 20,000 or come out and live to be somebody, but them using them in them house to do all of them work. It is unfair. It is unfair.
Okay.
You see. And if any one of them I hear my voice now, I hope them really understand that it's time for them to get up.
Well, URL, thank you so much, sir.
Yes, sir, thank you. And thanks for letting me express my feelings and whatsoever I think about the country. Yeah, man.
Anytime. All right, listeners, my time is almost done. We are at 7 minutes to 8 o'clock. We had a forecast lined up for you tonight. I'm not so sure what has happened to KC. I don't know. I don't. Jamaica girl is trying to get him, but whether or not we're out of time. Jamaica girl, are you there? I've been here from 6 o'clock. Well, we're almost at the end here. Casey?
Hello.
Tell us what's happening, Casey. Yes, good night, sir.
Yes, I don't know what's happening with the internet. Are you hearing me clearly?
I am hearing you clearly.
Sometimes I hear you clear as day all the time, but I don't know that if you're hearing me. I keep on hearing you're asking questions as if you're not hearing. But I've been hearing you all along. So what's up?
All right, we are at 4 minutes to 8 o'clock. What do we do?
What say you?
Well, I was hoping to can we do 20 minutes? Maybe.
Oh, so you only have 20 minutes left on the show?
Well, I wanted to close early tonight because I have some other things to do, but You need more time?
Yeah, definitely. We would need more time if we're going to do a forecast. So it's either we're going to do a forecast or we're not going to do a forecast.
Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? No? Can you go ahead? I can just
Yes.
pull this up. I can just pull this up and reset.
Yes.
All right, listeners, give us a minute. Okay. So what I'm going to do for you tonight is that there are some projections that we want to share with you in terms of where the election stands and where it stands in terms of how we are projecting the election. Is that both parties start the election from a particular point. If you notice, for example, that Desmond McKenzie has been going around the island, and the reason for that is that West Kingston is a safe seat. So Desmond McKenzie doesn't need to be in West Kingston. And so what we want to give you tonight are the safe seats for both parties. Ready, Casey?
Yes.
Okay. Let's start with the People's National Party. These are the seats that are unlikely to be won by the Jamaica Labour Party. No. All right. That background is not going to work, Casey.
No, fixing some lights. Give me a second. Yes. The Wi-Fi channel.
Hello? This is guys, this is not working out, okay? All right, let's listeners, so I think we are having some internet challenges. So this is not working out tonight. All right. Not working out tonight at all. Yeah. Well, tomorrow is Friday, and we go into the weekend. I guess we have to leave this until Monday. Take care of yourselves, okay? We're going to move. Yeah, this is. Sometimes you have all type of problems. You don't even know what is happening. Yeah. By the way, we are looking at a new time for the program starting Monday, 6 to 8.
Hello, neighbor.
Casey?
Yes, neighbor. How are we?
Yeah. Yeah, I'm hearing you.
Yes, what are we doing now? Good night, everybody.
Yeah. Yes, Casey, if you are able to.
Yes, I'm able.
I'm going to. You are able? All right, so Casey, tell us where the election is at this time. How do you see it?
Well, neighbor, I would say nothing much. We haven't had any big changes since the last forecast, but I can tell you this: there are still at least 30 seats in play, maybe 29. There are still 29 seats in play. And
You're saying
you can take.
What are you talking about?
Capable of going either way.
There are 29 seats in Jamaica that are in play.
Yes.
29, sir? 29?
Yes.
Then if there are 29 seats in play, KC, the PNP is not doing badly.
Well, it depends on the perspective of which you choose to look, because
no, but how could you said that 29 seats are
if you look at the 34 that's not in play, then it's a different reflection.
But I am sure that those 34 are not all Labour Party seats.
No, they're not all, but at least 25 is definitely going to the JLP. At least 25 of those is going to the JLP, neighbor.
Which is information that I have that you have given us before.
Yes. Yes.
So the Labour Party starts the election with 25 safe seats.
25 or thereabout.
How much
No
the
less than
PNP
25.
starts with? How much the PNP starts with?
Well, they definitely has 9.
9.
At least 2 is strongly leaning to PNP, but I wouldn't consider them safe seat at this time. But at least 2 is strongly leaning PNP that most people would put in the PNP safe column. And when I say strongly leaning, I mean it would have been a safe PNP seat or forecast as a safe PNP seat, but for a slight possibility that the JLP may take it if the JLP have a magnificent election like one they had in 2020.
You're in the country, sir.
Yes, neighbor.
The election, sir, the People's National Party have 9 safe seats plus 2 heavily leaning to them. What are you saying?
Yes, and maybe more than 2 seats are leaning to the PNP, you know. PNP, you know. I'm telling you is that there is 2 there that could be classified as PNP CFC. I don't have them in the safe column because if the JLP have a national swing like the one they had in 2020, those seats could fall too. But barring a national wave, essentially CFP and PC.
But how are you so sure of the Labour Party 25, but you're not sure of the PNP ones?
Pardon me?
You are not sure of the PNP safe seats, sir, outside of the 9?
Of the 9, yeah. And what I just told you is based on my information and the factors that build up my forecast. There are no more PNP safe seat with the exception of those 9 cut. But
why don't you just give them to the PNP?
Because I don't want to give you incorrect information, but at the same time, possibility of winning them either, despite what a lot of JLP supporters think. And yes, that would be South St. Catherine, Fitzjackson, and East Central St. Andrew. Dennis Garden, he's been challenged by Davian Vassar. I think barring a national wave, a national swing for the JLP, the magnitude of 2020, the PNP will hold on to those. Neighbor?
Yes, sir. But that means that they are leaning heavily towards the PNP.
Very heavily.
Yes. And based on the election And based on the election, how the election is looking so far, Casey, the PNP seem to be able to hold on to its core support. Can you see those
Well,
seats?
Well, your core support is your core support. You could hold on cause your core maybe 4,000 people in those constituency, and maybe those 4,000 always make the difference.
Back from the top, Casey. The Labour Party is starting the election with 29 seats. You have ticked off 25 for the Labour Party.
Yes.
In other words, there are 25 seats that you are forecasting the Labour Party will not lose under any circumstances.
Definitely.
Fantastic. Let's start with that. So the first thing is that the Labour Party, there are 25 seats. Casey, your background is very, very noisy. I don't know if you can do anything about it.
It will be nice
This is
at
being
times,
recorded.
but not all the time.
Yeah, it is being recorded, Casey. I just want the quality to be a little better.
I'm doing some work up in central Manchester.
All right, you know what? Awesome.
Neighbor,
Yes, sir.
you know, the internet is good now. You know, I don't know what happened just now. The phone just jumped off.
What a terrible night this is for broadcasting. Terrible. It's a background Casey. The background is poor. We are hearing cows and birds and
Okay.
all right. I tell you what, Casey. Let's reschedule this, okay? Let's do this again. Maybe Monday or tomorrow. I'll call you.
No, I'm not available for tomorrow.
All right, then we'll work on something else, okay?
Maybe Saturday.
Yeah, man.
Or maybe 9 p.m. when I can go inside.
9 p.m. tonight?
Yes.
No, I can't do that.
Okay.
I'll text you. Sir. Hey, what one?
Me there, man. It's been a while.
It's been a while, you know, sir. How you doing?
I'm good. I look on the prosperity tree and moving forward. And I definitely see 55 seats loading.
You see 55 seat loading, sir?
Yeah, man. We're going to take 6 more from them.
Is that so? Wow.
Yeah, man. Neighbor, The people, let me tell you this. The people them are not stupid no more, you know. Nobody now watch who is and who wasn't, you know. Everybody look to see what is happening. You understand me? Them now look to say, boy, this man are good to the people, them can come at 9 and him, you know. Him come sit down and chat. People are look for action now. People are look for road, light, water, infrastructure. So it is definitely 55 seats.
55 seats for the Labour Party, sir?
Yeah, man, 55 seat, man. I tell Travi that, I tell you that, and I remember a couple months back, I posted in the comment section, and you said to someone, so this ideology of 55 seats is like it. I say, well, it bizarre, you know. But I gotta say it crazy. It is bizarre, but it's 55 seats. Let me see it that way there. The persons, me tell you, persons prefer
But that's a blow.
Jamaicans want to move forward, you know. You understand? And if it means say them have to go drop them guard to make somebody else put up for them one, yeah. Who's Jamaica
Well,
say 53? And next month 55 you say to King. All right then. So just remember this. The blonde trucker, which is the blonde trucker is Terry Sobrati by name birth, but blonde trucker 876. I me tell you 55 seats. And a month now from last year, I continuously I say it. 55 seats definitely loading.
You're going to blow with the PNP, man.
Let me tell you something, man. Let me tell you something. The people I'm realizing, say, all this time, for the past 18 and a half years and more, nothing wasn't being done. And it take some people to really care. And it's from a long time, my father was telling me, you know, from the 90s, you know, say, JLP is a government where even though them say people say they are for the rich, them care more for the people. See, at those time they needed was to do for Jamaica. And see there in 9 years, more has been done in 18 and a half.
Well, I know not where something where come, so we know we see.
Yeah, well, we will see it. We will see it. And if me tell you this, if we even retain our 49 and get one more or two more,
listen to this. That load up. Go ahead.
You understand?
Go ahead.
All right, then.
Done.
Let me tell you something now. One is the crime. This is the first election year that is going to take place. And you don't have opposition leader worrying, they can't campaign on crime. Unemployment, they can't campaign on that. Yeah, understand me? Those two major issues that Jamaica has had over the years. The People's National Party cannot campaign on crime or unemployment. Infrastructure in terms of road, they can't campaign on that, so them are going to fix us and fix this up. Because Sparks and the REACH program is now in existence. You understand? The next thing is this now. The young youth them now, they might get opportunities where sometimes many of them used to in a wonder and despair. Opportunities are being provided. All them have to do are just leave the yard and go see. Use your phone, just like how you use the phone to look on TikTok or Instagram or Twitter. Use your phone and get information as to how you can go forward to get work on them things there. You understand me? These things are at your fingertip these days.
Yeah, we have to do better with the internet in Jamaica. The internet here is so poor, man, all across the country.
Yeah, well. As time go by, as I hear that them must write off, sign off on something for fiber optics cable now.
Yes. Listen to this. Listen to this.
And
listen to this.
Everybody has to go back and come from it. Oh, you mean?
Listen to me.
Jazz. Stand we stand back, Jazz.
Then everybody has to go back and come from another. Yes, so that you take a if your name not taken in young yeah. Roll call. Driver sister roll call.
No.
All right.
Hold on.
Then everybody has to go back and come from another. Yes, so that you take a name. If your name not taken in this young book, yeah.
Maybe I don't JLP if you right, maybe PNP if you right. PNP. Wrong sitting here right, madam.
The man say if your name not written in the Lamb's Book of Life, roll call, brother, sister, roll call.
All right.
No, sir.
So I just want to make our next point clear. Imagine now, there are 63 divisions, yes? And you mean to tell me, say, over the years, whether at the general election or local government election, you have these MPs, these councillors, these candidates, once they're put in office, they not see the poor living conditions of their constituents, but yet still them see them to run, go to them and talk to them and laugh with them and use charisma and charm to get them to come vote for them. And you mean to tell me, say, it take Andrew to go and see persons, women, children, mothers, fathers are living and sleeping in a poor condition. And he must come and say, all right, then they could come with this then and make them get housing, free housing. Even if our tax dollars are do it, at least we see our tax dollars are do. You understand me? So basically, so all right then, look like Michael Phillips then. He got emotional the other day when Andrew was handing over a house. Was in a for him constituents. You go talk about boy, all of this so we are doing don't make no sense. And he come like we forget about the last beat we get. Yeah, him should have shame to even say that.
Yes, sir. Why the man say if your name not written in the Lamb's Book of Life, roll call, brother, sister, roll call. Jamaicans are the best. No, sir. This is fantastic. I tell you something. I want to hear a little more of it. Play him again for me. I don't know where he come from. Somebody send it to me. Send him and send them back. Oh, bye. Okay. Turn it down.
Oh. Bonnie.
Yeah, hold on. Hold on this up. Oh my gosh. This here is nothing. I'm coming to you.
Stand back, Jazz.
Go ahead, sir.
Mr. Wonderful, clap your eyes because JLP has built more houses than PNP in a 18.5 years. And the statistics are there. It is there. Even Deon Jackson Miller had to prove that to one of them.
Hold on, make we listen to man come from St. Elizabeth near. Yes. Listen to him.
Then everybody has to go back and come from another.
Yes. Yes, brother.
Yes.
Yes.
If your name not written in this young roll call, brother, sister.
No, sir. Yes.
If your name not taken, name young book yes. Roll call, brother, sister, roll
Oh,
call.
God. Roll call, brother, sister. Roll call. Hold on there, my friend. Hold on there. No, sir. Boy, I tell you, these labor rights. No, boy, I tell you. The names are written in the Lamb's Book of Life. Roll call.
Hold on there. Hold on.
Hold on there. So hold on.
Neighbor, hold on.
No, man.
More answer,
Now
Ebby.
come to
Ebby.
you. Coming to you, sir. Roll call. Is your name written there? Roll call, my goodness gracious me.
If your name not taken, name young book yes. Roll call, brother, sister, roll.
Yes, sir.
If your name not taken, name young book yes. Roll call, brother, sister, roll.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes. Roll call, brother, sister, roll.
Roll call. Yes. My goodness, Jamaica girl, you hear your name a call? Rich mate, you hear the little old man say? I have to go. No, I have to go. Listen, Papa. No, sir. I train man, you are roll call. Big dream, roll call. Any of Mr. Wonderful, roll call. Frankie Paul, roll call. David Matt, roll call. Yes, go ahead, sir. Go ahead.
If your name not taken, yes. Roll call, brother, sister, roll call.
Roll call. All right. Sir. All right. Good. We hear you, sir. Very good.
More answer, Eddie. I hear
Yes.
Eddie making some comments about Portmore. Oh, Portmore, a swamp. Listen, Eddie, if you don't live at Portmore, don't talk about Portmore. Because I can name out all of the original landmarks in Portmore, and those areas were concrete, wasn't swamp. Hellshire on a swamp, Bernard Lodge on a swamp, Old Breton on a swamp, Mercury of Passport is not swamp, Independence City wasn't swamp, Gerger Park, Christian Town wasn't swamp,
Yes.
Bayside wasn't swamp. See? When it's back on the days when Siaga said never build house at Portmore and the PNP getting to talk about swamp, it wasn't all swamp. You understand what we are trying to say, neighbor? So
Yes.
this whole ideology about swamp and Portmore, I was saying, look on Portmore after 1963. Look at Portmore today. People used to tell us, or even me, as a young child back in the 80s before Gilbert planned to come to Jamaica. Portmore polluted, and when hurricane come and earthquake come, Portmore I go sink. And them same people there, sons and daughters, need to come by us at Portmore. Them used to tell we, say across the waters we live, back in the mid-80s, because August come and 46 years we live at Portmore. You understand?
Yes, sir.
So when you're not gonna mistake the swamp where Mark Golden said he might go build the house, them phone upon. Don't put Portmore against it.
Yes. Well, the man said your name written there, sir. Uh-huh.
Well, anyway, as me I say now, PNP don't have much to campaign on, so them are going to take set on the bus system. Them are going to take set on the JLP sign them where them are put up. It just bits and pieces. Them are grab one straw right now. Being for one, persons now who are well thinking are now listening to the facts and them are look for see plans to the future. Them just come with boy, babes, don't worry yourself. Once we start to work and we start to save money, then me go do this and me can do that for you. First, Jamaica far past that, You have to come with action. You have to come with things that make sense. You have to tell people, say you have to put on $1 billion towards social media funding. Come on, man.
Yes, sir.
No, you want to tell people, say, title for land and this and that. Come on. When you give people land 40 years ago, and them not up to this day, they not have title. Andrew come and fly green and Nesta Morgan and all of them come. I sit with that persons now have them title for land. So them families abroad who make money can send money for be buy black and steel and put on good housing for them now. See, farm roads, the farmer them for years always a ball about farm roads. And see there a labor right have to come start out farm road for them.
Yes, sir.
That's utter madness. Water. Don't want St. Elizabeth. PNP have this for years. And them a ball for water, you have to truck water. See, an irrigation system set up now where water are run for miles and miles and miles from people land. See, the only way water runs to them unless no rain no fall and you have a drought in the island. Which Jamaica is a seasonal thing. When rain no fall and you face with a drought. You understand me?
Yes, sir.
Come on, man. This it can't go on so forever, man. Something have to change. And the next thing now, at the local government, parish council level, something needs to be done. The people of Jamaica now need to realize, say, listen, if you are putting people every 5 years or every 4.5 years and them now work, you need to get rid of them.
Yes.
You have to change them. You have to change them out. You have to get rid of them. Bring somebody else, man. You come like husband and wife situation. The husband now go on good, the wife get a divorce and get a next man married. If the wife now go on good, the husband in go seek a divorce and get a next wife. You understand me?
Yes.
This is what people need to do. Gully now clean, drain now repair. Roads we fall on the parish council level, them now get look at. Because right now, we know of a gully that runs between Westchester and Passport, where from last year, everybody are complaining, saying, hey, they want the gully to clean because the water stagnant tonight and it's still the bush them and the maca them are grow up on the two sides of the in a Passport and Westchester. The gully that runs from round by 3-bedroom independent city, come all the way around between Castleford and Westchester, which leads out to sea. And all them are ask is, where's the council? Where's the council? I tell them even the person where boy, Big Rob have to do something about it. But Big Rob can't do nothing about it. That falls under parish council.
Yes, sir.
You understand me? So these are the things that people need to sit down and look on. If you say, yo, the JLP, MP, them are move good.
Yes.
Yeah.
Hello, sir. Hello.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah, you hear me?
Hold on, sir. Roller go call now. Roller go call. We're going home. My goodness, Jamaica girl, you're in Portmore. Roll call, blonde, 55 percent. Well, we'll see what happening.
55 seats.
The labor rights them happy tonight. Let's make them even happy. Infomedia, how you doing, sir? By the way, listeners, we are the top show for the third week consecutively. Nobody beats Politics Plus in this segment. Well, I can tell you something. I have good news. My goodness, we are going to be, well, let me not even boast.
As I said before, 55 seats.
I want the brother from St. Elizabeth. I want the brother from St. Elizabeth that say, give us the little joke. Let us hear him again. Yeah. They might, oh no, don't go there, so. Let's hear him again. Yes.
If your name not written in the jungle line, yes. Roll call, brother, sister, roll call.
Yes. No confuse daddy. Confuse daddy. Who daddy that? No confuse daddy. Oh my God. Jamaica girl, is your daddy that? Jamaica girl, take up your daddy. Take up your daddy. Politics Plus is number one. Send them back. Send them back.
Name not written in the jungle line. Yes.
Tell them, Papa, tell them.
Fine, brother, sister, roll call.
And that's just.
When everybody that people go find it come from another. Send him back. Oh, you mean? If your name not written in the jungle line, yes. Roll call, brother, sister, roll call.
Yes, and that's just.
Hello there, Bulletproof. Name a call. Hello there, Blonde. Hello.
Come on. Roll call,
Hello,
man.
sir.
Roll call. Yeah, hear me?
Hold on. Hello. Hello, Blonde. Go ahead, sir.
Yeah, man. So me just want the people them to know, man. So listen, man, this election, yeah, man, you have to vote on things that really I'm going to see. Things when you can see, I say, yes, this has been done and this needs to be continued. That plan has to take place after the general election. Make it be the 55 seats, man. Yeah, man. The more
Thank you, sir.
more we have in a parliament is the better for Jamaica. Can't be less.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Take care of yourself. Hey, Rufus, good night, sir. Wagwan. Go ahead, Rufus. Rufus, go ahead. Good night, sir. Barbara, go ahead. Go ahead, Barbara.
Hi.
Hello.
Hi, Nemo.
Hi.
How are you?
Hello.
How you
Hold on,
doing?
hold on, Barbara. Your name call? Your name a call?
Yes, man.
Your name a call? Hello.
Yes, yes.
Hello, Barbara.
Hi.
Why I tell you these labor rights
My
studies here.
name calling, Nemo. My name calling.
All right.
Good
You
job.
answer the call?
Good job. Good job. Good
You answer the
job.
call? You answer the
Yes,
call?
man. Yes, man. Yes, yes.
Hold on. Well, you hear what the man say for St. Elizabeth? You hear what he say?
Yeah.
You hear what he say?
Yes, Nemo.
Yes, what he say?
Nemo, I'm just waiting. I'm waiting on you, to call the date.
Me?
Yes, Nemo.
Why are you waiting on me? My name is Andrew Holness.
Yes, what? Yeah, no, when Andrew call it, you're going to
Yes.
repeat it.
Oh, I repeat it for you. Okay, you think I'll have breaking news?
Yes.
Mercy, I tell you. This little man from St. Elizabeth, let me laugh. I
saw it today on TikTok,
You did? Oh, he's
Yes.
gone viral now. He's gone
I
viral.
listened it so many times.
Can you imagine? Yeah.
Well, Nemo, I'm just waiting. I pack already and everything. I'm just waiting for the date.
Oh, you are abroad?
Yes, and I'm coming as the date, as he announced the date.
Carry one green clocks for me.
Oh my God.
Yes.
Nemo, what size you wear?
What size?
Yes.
I don't like talking about size on here.
What size you wear?
Oh, text me, I'll tell you.
All right. Just tell me the
Just send me
size.
a-
I'm going to text you.
Text me, all right.
And I'll order it and bring it on an open meeting in Old Harbour.
Yes, ma'am. I'll be in St. Elizabeth. I'm going to St. Elizabeth to talk to this man. This man
Yeah.
here?
Yes.
I'll be going to St.
Oh my God.
That's right.
Your
That's
name
right.
not written there.
Yeah.
Roll call.
That's right. That's right. That's right. That's right.
Oh my God. This man let me laugh to this with you. I laughed
I'm
all
a
the time today.
That's fantastic. That's fantastic. I tell you, it's really great. So, Barbara, you're coming home
Yeah.
soon, eh?
Yeah, I'm
Coming home
coming
soon.
home. I'm coming home 3 days before the day of election.
Yes. By the way, I understand that all the green clerks have been bought out all across the world. There's a man here
No,
in
but
Jamaica.
you have to tell me the size, and I would even get
That's why
it
you're going to
tomorrow.
And I say I
would
don't
ask
talk
my
about
level
size
to
on
buy
here.
it.
Yeah.
Huh?
I don't talk about size on here, man. You have to text me. I'll tell you the size.
All right, I'll tell you the size. It seems like it's a large size.
Shoes we're talking about, shoes.
Yes, that's what I say. I hope it's not
Yes.
13.
They don't sell 13 size Clarks, ma'am.
Then what about people who wear 13, who wear 11, 12? Of course.
You know,
I guess so.
Sikisha, see, they're laughing. You're giving her ideas. Don't talk anything more about it. So here, change the subject.
In America, the size, you have to give me the right size. Because remember,
Yes.
some of the size is bigger than some.
That is true. That is true, ma'am.
Yeah.
12
And when I
minutes to
buy it,
9
I'm going to take the picture and send it to you.
That is all right. Yeah. Yes. Sandy James, how you do? Sandy James, how you do? I'm leaving at 9. Here, ma'am.
Okay.
Claudette Fox, why are you laughing so much? You went to Bible studies tonight? You went to Bible studies, ma'am? Don't come over here. Let Barbara spoil you with
No,
size
I
30.
didn't say anything that is wrong. I didn't say nothing.
Right. Don't know what is happening to their minds, ma'am.
Oh my God.
All right. Christina?
Neighbor.
Yes. Uh-huh.
Neighbor.
I'm hearing you. Yes.
You know, Linkris Auto Parts at Church Ben.
Actually, yes, I do.
You know Linkris, you know him?
He died, yeah.
Yeah, it's my brother, you know.
Oh my goodness. All right. Oh, I'm so sorry about that.
His brother died last year and I had us to come 2 times.
Oh, yes. Yes,
Yeah,
I
he
heard
died
about
last year. Yeah.
Sorry about that. No.
Yeah,
Wow.
thank you.
Sorry about that.
Yeah.
You live in that area?
I'm going to live in that area down by President.
Presidential?
Yeah, about a house down there.
You're going to live there alone, ma'am?
Yeah, my son says me alone going to be there because he will be in Portmore.
Oh, well, you have a little extra room?
Yeah, I have extra room, but not for any men, like ladies.
Okay, uh-huh. Wow. Well then.
Uh-huh. Only
Yes.
ladies can come.
Okay. What about your husband?
No, I don't have any husband.
Okay, not yet.
No, and it won't.
Why? Why?
No. Not interested.
Uh-huh.
Not interested, that one.
Okay, well, I wonder why.
Oh, well, when you get grandchildren, you don't have to have any husband anymore.
Well, that's true. Uh-huh. That's true. But you don't get lonely sometime, huh?
You know, I'm not lonely. I'm not lonely, and I have friends. And I'm
You want
happy
a little
with my
company? You
friends
want a
and my
little company?
church sisters and brothers.
Yes.
You don't
Yes.
want anything. I go to Muna Baptist Church.
Okay, fantastic.
Yeah, and
In
my
Kingston.
pastor is Pastor Jennings.
Yes.
So, yeah.
Nice. We're a family.
Oh, yeah. He told me that if I want transfer, we have 2 Baptist church in Olaba if I want to visit there.
Yes, Olaba Bay and Old Harbor at
And Olaba.
yes.
You remember Pastor Jennings?
I do. Uh-huh.
He used to go to one of those church down there.
Yes, Olaba Baptist.
Yeah.
Olaba Bay Baptist.
That is Mr. Jennings' father.
Yes.
The son preaching Papine at the Mona Baptist, and he was in Olaba.
Uh-huh. Well, nice, man. Nice. So when you come to Jamaica, you'll be coming to this neck of the woods?
I'll be going straight to President.
Oh, wonderful.
Then everybody have to go.
Wonderful. Yeah.
So don't
Well
forget
then,
now, you
ma'am.
know, but past neighbor, you have
Yes.
my number, you know, so you can just text me. Text me
You know what? I may have lost it because I've changed my phone. So just send me a
Okay.
message in my inbox.
Okay.
If
All
you're
right.
not following me, just follow me. Send me a message
Yeah.
and I'll respond to you. Here.
All right. I will.
God bless you. Take care.
Yeah, you too. All right. Bye. Have a
Bye-bye.
nice night. Yeah.
You too. Bye bye. Well, 7 minutes to go. Christine.
Good night, neighbor.
Hey, how you do?
I'm all right, man, and you?
Well, me no there. Try
Alright, good.
check out something.
Yeah, man, just want you to know I enjoy your program. It's fantastic.
You do.
Yes, I do.
Thanks.
Calling from
Yes.
Southwest St. Elizabeth Beach to be exact.
Uh-huh.
Yes.
How is the weather there?
Well, it's hot.
Uh-huh. You know, I hear Santa Cruz is the hottest place in Jamaica.
Yes, definitely. Second, Black River second.
Yes. So how you managing the heat?
Well, I don't come out much. I just must stay inside. I only go out
Under
if I
AC?
have. Well, you know, they bill too high, so I cut down AC sometimes.
I understand.
I do enjoy your show, and I just want you to know third term. Slide green is a must for third term, and is a must.
Yes, that's what I hear.
Yes, but it's a straight message to them, man. I think we have one of the MP that Jamaica Labour Party can ever have, and that is Slide Green. And that is Slide Green.
You know, ma?
Well, he deserves, honestly.
Yes.
Honestly. When I'm one of his
He's talented.
supervisors,
He's talented.
I am one of his supervisors.
Oh, you're one of the workers.
Yep.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, man, election run the polling station.
Okay. Well, who to tell I may make a trip down to St. Elizabeth here soon.
Yes, man, if you come, man. Come, man. Come, man. We welcome you at any time.
Yes. I know. But I'm running out of time. You hear? So take care of yourself.
Okay, but you take care of yourself too. Have a God bless night.
You too. Bye-bye. All right, listeners. I'm going to wrap up, you know. Oration, you're up too. Jamaica girl, don't add anybody else, please.
Night, neighbor. Night, neighbor.
2 minutes you have, sir.
2 minutes, right, neighbor? I was just listening to your tape, neighbor. And it's some important point in it, a whole lot of important point in it. One of them that I take from it is, I think before the Jamaican people considered elect the People's National Party into power, I think they owe the people of Jamaica a public apology. To come to the people of Jamaica to tell them that we know that we wasn't perfect throughout the years, and this is what we have done wrong. And we are apologizing and we are asking you for forgiveness for thinking about us to bring us back into power into the future. So, neighbor, I think, as I say, I think it's some important point. And neighbor, I must say this to you. I think after the election, this program is gonna be the only relevant program that people will really stay on and listen to for many different reasons. I must say that you are doing such a good job. I must say, the neighbor, I have to take my break whenever I know you're coming on, you know. That's when I take my lunchtime at work, you know. I have to take my break.
Take your lunchtime when I come on, sir.
Yes, sir. Listen.
Listen to that. Nice.
Listen, neighbor.
Nice. Take time with me.
Right. No. It is the reality, neighbor. It's not that thing. I'm not pushing anything on it, but you will be the only program that relevant after all of this election. You are on point all the time, and your takes
And you know, sir, and you know, if I may tell you this, sir, um,
It will happen, neighbor. I think,
no, I'm not so sure about
I think
Yes.
after it all boiled down, you will have some sponsors, some people who want to come online, some businesses who want to come online for you to promote their business and all of that. So you would have some contract with all those businesses. So
Well, I don't know about that either. I don't know about that either. I don't know about that.
but neighbor,
It's good. It's what is good though is that
mhm,
the listeners to this program, and if you notice, our numbers hardly move. We have listeners,
Yes.
people who
yes,
stay with us. Yes.
yes,
And so we have built. I think we have built a very good family,
yes,
neighbors family. Yes.
yes.
And the neighbors family will go with me wherever I go.
Yes, neighbor.
I want all the neighbors family to make their call in an election sure.
Neighbor.
Yes.
I think
Yes.
they're setting up yourself for trouble in the neighbor. I think it's time to
I'm telling you.
neighbor. I think
That
it's time.
alone-
I think it's time to
Yeah.
declare to the nation who you are, what you're all about, and where your votes lie whenever the time comes.
And I tell you this, sir, if you
Mhm.
understand what democracy means,
Yes,
democracy is from a Greek word
yes,
that means, I think it's demos. It means people.
yes,
It is people, sir, that must choose their government.
yes.
My role is to tell people the truth
Right,
and
right.
and leave them to make the choice.
Which is true, neighbor. On point.
I don't need to come here to tell people who to vote for.
Yes.
In a democracy, you empower people.
Right, neighbor.
And
I think you're doing just that.
Well, that is what education does, you know, sir.
Yes,
Education is enlightenment.
yes.
And what we have in Jamaica is that we have too many unenlightened people
Yes,
making
neighbor.
choices.
Yes.
Making choices.
Yes.
It's like a man. You know, sir, did you know that in Jamaica a lot of the ballots are spoiled?
For real, neighbor. That's a reality.
Spoiled, you know. They don't tell
Yes.
they don't tell us a lot of it, you know, but a whole heap of the ballot.
Whole lot of, yes.
Imagine the people them going at the box and they don't even know the symbol.
Yes.
Now, if you don't know the symbol, you just go put a mark. Then, and I have questioned whether or not we can have a true democracy where there is such a high level of literacy.
Right.
Because democracy assumes that the people are going to make the right choice.
Yes, neighbor. Yes. But as I say, all in all, neighbor,
And that is why it's important. It is important. Finally, sir, it is important, you see, that those persons who have had the benefit of education,
yes,
those persons who are able to think, that they lead the process.
yes,
Electoral process in Jamaica has been left to those people who are transactional,
yes,
that they can be bought. And in the sense, if that happens, sir, we don't have a true representation of government. In other words, the government represents the people, the will of the people. And so the question we need to answer is, are we seeing governments that represents the will
yes,
of our people? Because I suspect if you have enough money in Jamaica, you could buy something.
Right, neighbor. Right. You're on point, neighbor. As I said, you're on point, neighbor, and that's the reason why so many people latch on to your program, because coming here every day, you're opening up the minds of the people, you know, to show them, to weigh the option, to to show us where we're coming from as a nation and where we have and what we have now and what we should why we should appreciate this government for everything they have done, neighbor. But neighbor, I said this and leave for tonight, neighbor, because you are out of time. I remember in a few months ago, I hear the Prime Minister stood up in Parliament and he says he's the only leader who have the ability to turn on the people of this country. And it have shown, since the Prime Minister have been on the road, it have proven that this Prime Minister, you can hate him tomorrow, but you have no chance to love him for life, neighbor, because he have done the work. He win the mind and the heart of the people, doing the job and touching life, neighbor. So I have no doubt in my mind, neighbor, whenever the Prime Minister is satisfied and ready and feel pleased to send the people of Jamaica to the poll, whenever I hear Scratchy keep and repeat this over and over. This high level of turnout of voting this time around is not to vote out the government, is to show the government appreciation for what they have done over the 9 years. And every time I hear Scratchy say that, I said to myself, this gentleman is on point, because the people of Jamaica, neighbor, and I said this, neighbor, I hear you say something the other day. So many voters are out there who made up their mind to show the government appreciation, but you will never see they put up a V, and you will never see they put on a t-shirt, and you will never see them at a political meeting, but they made up their mind that this government have done enough and deserve to get another term, neighbor. And when that time comes, the people of Jamaica will see that, neighbor.
Very good, sir. Thank you so much.
Yeah, man, neighbor. All the time, neighbor. All the time.
Pick up yourself.
Yeah, man.
By the way, you're abroad?
Yes, neighbor, but I will be back home soon. I agree soon.
All right.
I agree soon.
One Jamaica. One
Jamaica, neighbor. That is it, neighbor. One Jamaica. That's what we want to see. Yes.
Yeah. All right, sir. Well, we have been here since 6 o'clock. Who's going to buy coffee tonight? Who's going to buy coffee? Starbucks? Huh? A cup of Starbucks? Is Juicy Patty still open? Juicy? Two beef patties there. Or you're going to KFC? Somebody's planning to send me a bottle of Baba Roots. Does the Baba Roots have alcohol in it? Way up, you're not giving me any Baba Roots? Well, I need to ask somebody if I should drink Baba Roots. Eh? Why are they recommending that I drink Baba Roots? Is that an advertisement for Baba? All right, train man. Until tomorrow, everybody, pick up yourself here. Take care of yourselves. Take care of your families. All right.